Home Depot credit card login tutorial. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can log into the Home Depot credit card option. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. After opening your Google Chrome browser, search for Home Depot credit card login. The first search result is your answer, the one from citi.com, since Citibank is linked with Home Depot. So tap on it and wait for the page to open up. And once it does, as you can see, you have to sign in with your user ID and your password. So type in your user ID. You can also check the Remember My User ID box, write in your password, and then press on the Sign On option. Also, you can retrieve your user ID as well as reset the password. Also down below you can see an option called Register a Card. If you tap on that, this page will open up where you have to type in your card number, the name as it appears on your card, your security code, and last 4 digits. And there you go. That is how you log into the Home Depot credit card feature. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to the channel.